All right, doing video here. This is our third attempt at launching a rocket. Do you hold? Let's see. I think you hold down on that and press that, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, here we go. We got this. This is our third attempt here. We're going to try to get this one back. Okay, we ready for the countdown? Mm-hmm. All right, go for it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off. Uh-oh. Oh, awesome. You can see it? It deployed. Come back over this way.
Over there.
It looks like it worked, though.
Yeah.
It's coming back.
It's so hot.
I think the wind will take it over here.
Hopefully.
Is it? Oh, that parachute doesn't look like it's deployed. It's just coming down fast.
Yeah, that's good. No, don't go in the trees.
Come on.
Please, please.
The parachute isn't working. Oh, that's not.
Does it work? Did it come?
I think it might have come down. Go look for it.